'64 gray and blue bus. It's the engine. Gone through all seals, gaskets. Rubber boots are solid. It's got a lowering bracket for the back here. So the rear end's already ready to lower. Both sides. Shocks are in good shape. Drum brakes have been rebuilt all the way around and cut. You can see on this one the frame still has the factory coating all over it, which is excellent. No rust whatsoever. Solid all the way around on this side. Solid frame rails. Everything looks really good. Cross members are good. Floor. Front coating still on. Everything looks good there. Stock front end. Factory coating still on the body and frame. You can see the coating there is peeled off a little bit. So everything is protected from rust. Drum brakes. Stock front end. All tie rod bushings look really well. Nothing cracked. Everything been greased.